Good morning. This is cause number 2021-36542 in the interest of Bobby Earl Mason Jr. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Bo D. Williams, and I'm his mother.
All right, and sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Bobby Mason, father.
All right, and representing the Attorney General's office.
Luis Regler.
We have a petition to establish parent-child relationship. We're having a hearing. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
Do we have any stipulations?
Yes, we do.
Let's read those into the record.
Yes, the father is going to be established as the biological father of this child. The parties have agreed for joint managing conservatorship, the mother to be the custodial parent within the Harris and surrounding counties. Custodial parent's going to carry Medicaid for the child. Cash medical support, the father is going to pay for Medicaid at $124 per month beginning February 1st. The other issues that we will need to appear for hearing, Judge, will be current child support and then the possession and access and court costs.
Okay, so far, is that your agreement, Ms. Williams?
Yes, sir.
So far, Mr. Mason, is that your agreement?
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right, so let's call your first witness, Mr. Regla.
Hey, Judge, I call Mrs. Luna. And ma'am, what's your full name, please?
Sandra Luna,
And where are you employed?
the Office of the Attorney General.
And what are some of your duties and responsibilities as far as calculating support?
Conduct investigations and calculate child support and retroactive child support.
Okay, and did you receive training in line with the Texas Family Code in order to do those things?
Yes,
Okay. And did you have a chance to investigate and do calculations in this case?
yes.
And what were you able to find as far as a gross income for this father?
His monthly gross income is $2,764.67.
And how many children is he obligated to support?
One,
Does he have any other children on support orders?
no other children.
All right. And the agreed upon cash medical is $124 per month, correct?
That is correct.
So what is the net that comes off of that?
For the child support,
Yes,
it's $149 a month.
okay,
No.
so-
What is the net amount that you're
Oh, I'm
calculating?
sorry. The net amount is $2,244.04.
Okay, and so we're using 20%, correct, for current child support?
That is correct. Yes,
So then how much does that result in child support?
$449 a month.
Okay, beginning February 1st.
That is correct.
Okay, and there is no request for retroactive support, correct?
No, no request.
Okay, Judge, I'll pass this witness at this time.
Mr. Mason, do you have any questions for Ms. Luna?
No, sir, not at the moment.
All right, Ms. Williams, do you have any questions of Ms. Luna?
No, sir.
All right, call your next witness, sir. May she be excused, Mr. Regla?
I agree with that, Judge, yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Luna, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
May I call the next witness, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Next, I'll call the mother. Ma'am, what's your full name?
Lo D. Williams.
Okay, and did you agree with the state's calculations for current child support?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, and what is it that you're requesting the court grant as far as when the father can see the child in this case?
It's whenever he comes to Texas, he can see his son whenever. I don't have a problem.
Okay, so you're fine with the standard schedule of visits?
Yes, sir. I'm fine.
Okay, and you agreed that the court should order the father to pay court costs, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I'll pass this witness.
All right, Mr. Mason, do you have any questions of Ms. Williams?
I don't.
Mr. Mason?
Nah, no, sir. No, sir.
Okay, no questions. All right. Mr. Herrera, was standard possession order, is that stipulated now or?
No, I think the father wanted something different.
Okay, go ahead. Call your witness.
Thank you, Judge. I call the father now. And sir, one more time, what's your full name, please?
Bobby Earl Mason.
Okay. What kind of schedule were you looking for as far as when you can see your child? Did you hear my question, sir?
Yeah. I mean, like she say she ain't trying to keep him from me. I was under the impression how the lady was talking that I was just able to see him once, 2-3 times every month or something. But I stay out of town, so when I come out there, she do let me see him when I come out there. That's the only thing I had.
Well, okay, Mr. Mason, there has to be an order setting out your legal visitation rights. Okay, so standard possession order means first, third, and fifth weekends from Friday to Sunday. Time in the summer, holidays, so forth and so on. That's what problem would be in the decree, but you don't have to follow that if you can agree to something else. So if she agrees to allow you to visit any other time, that's not a problem. You're not in violation. You're not limited to the standard possession order unless you can't agree.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I got you.
Okay, because there has to be a set time, for your visitation set in the decree. Because if she decides not to let you see the child, you have that right. And if she doesn't allow you to uh, during those times, then you can file the contempt action against her, and the court could put her in jail. But it sounds to me like you both get along in terms of visiting with the child. Is that all right? Is that correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the standard possession order in again. The only time that you have to follow those orders is if you can't agree. Do you understand what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Miss Williams, do you understand also?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, and this is a good situation because if you're allowing him to visit the child, when he's in town and so forth, whenever he wants, that's good for Bobby Jr.
Right.
Because he needs to be seeing his father, as much
I
as his
agree.
father wants to see him. All right. We have anything further, Mr. Regla?
Yes, Judge. As far as current child support. And
All
sir,
right.
is it true that you disagree with having to pay child support at this time?
Yeah, I mean, how much child support? That's what I'm saying, because we can go back and forth all day, but it really don't make no sense. I know what I do for my child. She know what I do for my child, but she trying to throw it out, say I don't do this and do that, but it ain't that ain't the whole truth, man.
So $449 in current child support. That's what your income looks like it would turn into as far as child support goes. You're objecting to that, is that correct?
Yeah.
Judge, that's all I have.
So, Mr. Mason, how much do you think you should be ordered to pay in child support?
I really don't. I don't know, man. This is kind of. I mean, that's my baby. I'm taking care of my baby.
Well, Miss Williams, are you requesting that he pay the amount of child support that the family that the law says, right, Miss Williams?
Huh?
Yeah. What, sir? This. Yes, sir. When he start paying, like he buy my son clothes and shoes. So once he start paying, he's not gonna buy him clothes and shoes no more.
Yeah.
Right. He doesn't have to buy, all that stuff
Right.
if he's paying
Right.
child
Right.
support. Correct.
Right.
You
Right.
understand that, Mr. Mason?
What?
If you're paying child support, you don't have to pay one penny more. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to do you don't have to, contribute one penny more other than what you're ordered to pay. Do you understand that?
Yeah, but that wasn't a concern of mine. I wasn't talking about buying stuff, extra stuff or something for myself.
Oh,
If I do
oh,
pay money, I want to know that the money's being spent on him and not what she want to do with it.
well,
know?
well, Mr. Mason, you have no control over that, nor do I. What she spends that money on, none whatsoever. You can't control that.
Say it again.
You or I or anybody has no control over how she spends that money. You understand that?
So if I'm sending her money to take care of him, she can buy it like anything, cigarettes. It don't matter.
She,
That's what.
right. She can do whatever. She can do whatever. She can do whatever she wants with us.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
Well, I mean, that's the law.
Yeah, I object to that though, man.
All right.
That ain't how it's supposed to be.
Okay.
Now you got these folks on here like daddy or something, man.
All right, Mr. Regler, you have any further questions of Mr. Mason?
No more questions of the father, Judge.
Ms. Williams, do you have any questions of Mr. Mason?
No, sir, not at all.
Y'all phone is breaking up. I barely can hear y'all.
It's your phone.
Okay. I asked them if they had any more questions for you, and they said no. Okay. Do you have anything further you want to say, Mr. Mason? Can you hear me, Mr. Mason?
It's his phone that was messing up, sir.
Nah,
I
not
tried to
right
tell
now.
him.
Okay, Mr. Mason, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right. Do you have anything further you want to say?
Nah, nah, that's it.
All right, Mr. Williams, do you have anything further you want to say?
No, sir.
What is the court cost date on this, Mr. Regler?
I propose May 1st, Judge.
All right, father's then ordered to pay child support in the amount of $449 a month beginning February 1st, 2022. He's to have standard possession order. He's to pay court costs as billed not later than May 1st, 2022, and all other stipulations are approved.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you.